Hi, welcome to my latest video. Today I thought I'd do a very quick video showing how to pair up a mobile phone on Bluetooth to the hands-free kit on a Freelander 2. This is the XS model 2009, so it has the built-in hands-free Bluetooth feature built into the audio system here. There's these extra buttons here for starting and stopping phone calls from the steering wheel. So what I'm going to show in this video is how to pair up an existing phone. So this is a phone that has been added but is then disconnected or unpaired, either intentionally or for some reason has lost its pairing. I'll show how to repair that. I'll also show you how to remove an old phone if you are selling a car and you don't want your phone's details, your call history, your phone book, etc., sort of being stored for the next person. Then you can remove a phone from memory. You may have upgraded your phone or changed to a different model or different provider, and you want to add a new phone. Okay, so I'll show you how to remove an old phone and add a new phone. So what I'm going to do first of all is re-add this phone. So this is my iPhone. It has previously been paired up, but then when I was doing my Autel diagnostics video a few months ago where I had a Bluetooth diagnostics LR2 plug-in device. Okay, so it's Bluetooth, so I needed to unpair my phone because I thought at the time that other devices on the Bluetooth were causing a problem. I got it working eventually. I don't think they were, but I wanted to rule those out, so I unpaired my phone. But I now want to pair my phone back up again. So the memory in the Bluetooth system here already has my phone in the list of phones. Okay, so it should remember it, and we should be able to pair up fairly easily. But I'll also show you how to add a brand new phone. Okay, so a phone that the car's never seen before. So first things first, let's turn on the ignition, put the key in, turn on the ignition. Don't need to start the engine. So this is on radio at the moment. Okay, there is radio, and I've gone into the Bluetooth settings on my phone. Now I didn't actually press anything then. It's just straight away gone to Land Rover, and it's asking for a PIN number. Okay, so if you're lucky and your car recognizes your phone, it'll go straight to this page and it'll ask you for this PIN number. If you're too slow, it will time out. Okay, so it takes about sort of 10 seconds. If you don't pair it in that time, it gives up, times out. Okay, so what we're looking for here is Land Rover in the list. Okay, so there's lots of other devices that are in the area or have been connected to my phone in the past, so Land Rover is there now. It's not connected at the moment. Okay, so there are two ways that you can pair up. You can either pair from the car end or from the phone end. Okay, it doesn't really matter which way you do it. You can either go into phone and you can go add new phone, or find an existing phone and click there, and it will try to connect and should ask you for a PIN number. There it is, it's asking for the PIN number. Or you can click Land Rover in the list of devices and it takes you to the same screen. The PIN number that we need to put in, the default PIN number, is 2121. It's saying, do I wish to synchronize up my contacts and favorites? I'll just click don't allow for now. Okay, so there we go, it's connected. Scott's iPhone and Vodafone UK. Okay, so that is connected up. We've actually got Land Rover there connected, so that's great. So I could now make and receive calls if I wanted to. I will need to synchronize my contacts at some point, otherwise making a call it's going to be reliant on actually putting the phone number in. If you synchronize your contacts, then you can go through your address book and then just call somebody from that. Okay, so that is how to pair a phone that has been used in the past. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to remove old phones. So if I go, it's on the phone mode, so let's just go back to radio and I'll show you this right from the start. So you're on radio, you click the phone button, and it may or may not be already paired to a phone. Okay, so mine is paired now. If I click menu, we can go through things like missed calls, received calls, all that kind of thing, and then we get to Bluetooth. Okay, Hopefully you can see that. It's a little bit dusty on the screen here, but it says Bluetooth and it's got select or exit. So the way in which we remove a phone from the list of devices is you go menu, Bluetooth, click that, remove phone. Okay, and then you pick a phone to remove. Now there's an old Samsung phone in here which I haven't used for years, so I'm going to select that and remove that. Do you really wish to remove it? Yes, press the round button. There we go, and it's gone. So that's how we remove old phones that we're no longer using. What I'm going to do now is remove this phone and show you how to add a phone from scratch. So this is if you've just bought the car, or you've got a new phone, or you want to add somebody else's phone to your car. Okay, so let's go back into phone. So Land Rover there is connected, that's paired up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the menu here. Now it'd be interesting to see if it allows me to remove a phone that is currently paired. So let's just have a look at this. So Bluetooth, remove phone. There's only one phone there. Do you want to remove it? Yes. No paired phone. Would you like to pair? Okay, so let's just come out of that for now. Okay, so that's unpaired it. It's removed my phone from the list of devices. So this is how the car should be really when you buy it, with no devices in the list, and you want to now add a phone for the first time. Okay, so let's come out of there. So we can see here that we've got Land Rover in the list, okay, because this is sort of switched on and is appearing as a Bluetooth device, but it's not connected. So what we're going to do now is we are going to do menu. So now what we're going to do is we'll try to add a brand new phone. So let's go phone. No paired phone. Would you like to pair? So we say yes. Ensure the Bluetooth on the phone is on and visible. Okay, it is on and it is visible. And we go OK. And it will now search for nearby phones. Okay, so nearby phones that are able to communicate over Bluetooth. Okay, so it may find other phones. It might actually try to connect to the wrong phone, but I would have thought it would go for the strongest signal, the phone that's currently closest and listening out for Bluetooth. So it's found my phone, Scott's iPhone there. Is that the one we want? Yes, select that. And now it says enter the following pin, and it's not 2121. It's a new pin, which is probably a random pin, but it's 4807. So let's go 4807. Okay. Do we want to sync? We'll just hit don't allow for now. And it is connecting up. Let's see if that works. And there we go, it's synchronizing, it's connected, it says connected here. So the pin number when reconnecting an existing phone is 2121. But if you're adding a new phone, you need to add a new phone in at the car end on this menu here, and it will give you a pin number which probably won't be 2121. It'll be some other 4-digit pin, and you then type that into the phone. Okay, so a little bit confusing, but there's different methods depending on whether or not you're adding a new phone or an old phone. Old phone, you just do it from the phone end. Adding a new phone, you do it from the car end. Okay, so that's now re-added, reconnected, and I can now make calls legally and safely, hands-free. So that's it. I hope that was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.